riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big.
Hey my LWM crew, come through. Welcome back to my channel, Life with Missy. It's me, Missy. If you are returning, thank you. If you are new, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you won't miss another video. So y'all, today's video is going to be sponsored by a company on Amazon. They sent me over an electronic digital clock. It is a Goloza electronic clock. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this review for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what the clock can do. I'm gonna show you guys what it look like, and also what it sounds like. So let's get into it. This is the box that it came in. It is an electronic alarm clock by Goloza. So let's unbox it. Okay y'all, let's go ahead and unbox it. So it come in this bubble wrap. All right. It comes with this manual. A power adapter, USB cord, I believe that's what it is. And the wall mount. So this is everything that it comes with. So let's see what this bad boy can do, y'all. Okay, so the manual tells you how to set the time, the alarm setting, the alarm volume setting, the alarm off, the snooze function, and the display adjustment. So yeah, let's see what it does. Let's peel this off. Look how slick it looks, y'all. And it's curved. Look at that curve. So on the back, it has the time. It has how to lock the time, set the alarm, how to lock the alarm. Okay. So you just go ahead and plug it in like so. It also has multicolors. Look at those pretty colors, y'all. Y'all know my favorite color is purple. So you can change the colors. So right here where it says change the color, change the colors. How cute is that, y'all? All right. Okay, y'all, so it also has 3 different sounds for your alarm. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. And it also have a 9-minute snooze button. Push your snooze. Okay, when you are ready to set your time, you just push it up on time, like so. And you will short push for the minutes, long press for the hour. And then once you got your time, you turn it around and you put it on lock. And that will lock your time in. And so the same thing for your alarm. You'll push down to the alarm. Set your time for the alarm. Once you get your time, you lock that in as well. So how cool is that, y'all? I love it when it turns purple. So yeah, this is a very cool clock. So if you guys are interested in this clock, I will leave a link in my description box. And yeah, I'm loving this clock, you guys. So yeah, if you guys anything like me need that snooze button, you have 9-minute snooze button. So you have 9 minutes to snooze and it will go off again. And you also can adjust the volume of your alarm right here. And you also can do military time as well as standard time. I like to do standard time, but if you like to do military 24-hour time, then that's good. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So go ahead and get you a Goloza electronic digital clock. Check out my description for the link.